My topic is global warming, and it is of interest currently since a lot of places are experiencing much more heat waves and as well higher temperatures. 2023 was the hottest summer ever recorded, and in the last decade, we've increased the average temperature of the Earth by 1 degree, where in the past it has only gone up by 0.33 or zero point 0.2, and it is not only impacting us but other mammals such as polar bears in Antarctica. The ice is melting a lot more rapidly, and a lot of people's and animals again, ecosystems are becoming at harm of them. It's impacting forests, coral reefs, and as well the sea levels. There is an increase of extreme weather, such as a lot of times there is wildfires that are occurring that usually wouldn't occur because of the higher temperatures. It is going to cause again higher temperatures, which is going to lead to harder for farmers to farm food and farm the right vegetables in the certain seasons that they're used to, which is going to increase food prices and as well decrease the availability for us to go outside as much as we'd like, since it'd be too hot if we don't start working on it now, since this is caused by emissions of fossil fuels from cars and from factories that are heat trapping in the atmosphere. And global warming overall is just the earth becoming hotter from, again, those fossil fuels. Things that we are doing right now to decrease it is some companies are starting to do electric cars, which are to them and to many scientists as well not as bad as the gas that is emissioned through the cars, but there is also still some downfalls to it since the batteries are not degradable. Climate change is also changing water availability and is becoming more scarce in regions, since it is evaporating the water faster and as well causing droughts and affecting crops. The controversy behind it are people believing that it is a myth and believing that it's not a real thing and it's just something that the government is saying to cause us to be more eco-safe and more eco-friendly and everything. But it truly is a problem that's occurring, since we've been able to feel it when going outside, that it's been a lot more hotter than in past years, and as well more heat waves than cold waves, as you would think there would be. And as well, in the next 100 years, it is predicted that if we don't do anything to prevent this from occurring or any more emissions in the atmosphere, it will go up by 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And as well, the leading country that is emitting the most fossil fuels and dangerous toxins into the air is China, and the United States is right behind them, since they have a lot of factories, and as well we have a lot of people as well as they do. And as well, there is a lot of issues with this because it can harm as well our air and how everyone lives, since there's starting to be more people not having the best air quality, which some are not able to go outside if that is how the air is outside. So that's global warming, and that is the current issue that we are dealing with, and it is affecting everyone currently and will more and more. And especially if those who think it's a myth keep thinking it's a myth, it's going to lead to even more emissions being sent out into the atmosphere. Thank you.